Corporate governance is a set of rules, systems, processes, procedures that control how your company operates, how your business operates. Corporate governance in the small business, restaurant context, or any type of small business is your house, right? If you have a house with no rules, or you built a house envisioning that you're gonna live in a 5-bedroom house one day, but you bought a 1-bedroom house, well, guess what? It's not gonna be, you're not gonna get there, right? So corporate governance is about building the foundation, the rules, the system, the structure to how your house will look, feel, run, operate, and without it, you're gonna have a lot of band-aids, a lot of patchwork, repairing it along the way. For us, at KI Legal, you can't be a litigation attorney for businesses and never be involved in building the business. So corporate governance is that those documents that come in the package when you create an entity in the beginning, but actually designed for you and what you actually want it to do and say, not the standard cut and paste forms. So when you think about corporate governance, bylaws, how the company operates, rules, handbooks, there's a lot of aspects to it. A lot of times as a business owner, I've seen it firsthand, you just want to get to that finish line, opening day, and just get it, and you have no time for anything. And you just figure out, I'll figure this out later. But ultimately, you need to think about where you're gonna be. And if that means opening a month later, then that's what you should do. I know that sounds crazy to many people, but actually if you don't do it right from day one, then you're always repairing, and it's never going to be what it was. During COVID, a lot of people had a lot of time off. That was a great opportunity, and it still is, right? There's downtime to get these things in order. Get your house in order is what I always tell my clients. Without a house not in order, it's just never gonna work properly. In terms of money, we'd much rather work with our clients upfront from day one, and that'll ultimately save them a tremendous amount of money long term, because we say with Michael, we joke, you don't wanna come to the litigation division, which is my group. When you come to the litigation division, that means you have a problem, right? And that problem could have been resolved or avoided entirely had you started off in the transactional division, right? Because you're setting up the rules. You're doing these things and creating structure so that there aren't any disputes with your partners, so that there aren't any disputes with your employees, with your landlord. All of these things are how your company operates in a broad sense to avoid problems or mitigate the chances of litigation or the amount of litigation you're going to be involved in.